Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete TikTok messages from both sides. So if you send a TikTok DM that you immediately regret it, don't worry, just like on other platforms, TikTok lets you unsend messages that will remove them from both your chat history and the recipient's inbox. So here is how you can do it. You can just open TikTok in here and go to inbox in the bottom. So let's say I'm going to send this person a message. Okay, let's say hello. Okay, so let's say I am typing something wrong or maybe send something wrong and I want to delete it from both sides. So you can just long press on the message in here and there will be these options to delete for all. Click on that options and just like that it will be delete from my chat history and also the recipients. But you must know that it doesn't apply to the old messages that you sent. So for example, this one I sent it on 17 October. So when I try to delete it, there will be there are only the options to delete for me, not delete for all. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.